Deep within the vibrant heart of the rainforest, a kaleidoscope of colors flits through the thick canopy. Shadows dance among the leaves, hinting at a breathtaking secret waiting to be revealed. But who is this elusive creature, whose presence electrifies the air and transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary? Behold, the toucan, a dazzling jewel of the rainforest, celebrated for its stunning beauty and vibrant personality. With a beak that resembles a painter's palette, adorned in brilliant hues, the toucan captures the essence of the wild. In a world of wonders, few creatures command attention like this enchanting bird. The toucan's extraordinary beak is a marvel of evolutionary ingenuity, perfectly crafted for life in the treetops. Light yet powerful, it allows the toucan to access succulent fruits nestled high among the branches, while also serving as a sophisticated cooling system to regulate body temperature. This remarkable adaptation showcases nature's brilliance, revealing how beauty and functionality go hand in hand. More than just a symbol of beauty, toucans play a crucial role in the intricate web of rainforest life. As they indulge in nature's bounty, they become unwitting architects of the forest, dispersing seeds far and wide with each bite. This vital process ensures the rejuvenation of the jungle, maintaining the rich biodiversity that thrives within its emerald depths. Yet, amidst the beauty, challenges loom large for these magnificent birds. Habitat loss and environmental changes threaten their existence, urging us to take action. By championing conservation efforts, we can protect the toucan and the lush paradise it calls home, ensuring that future generations will continue to marvel at the wonders of the rainforest. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of these majestic birds.